Check the links in the description below. I think we're going to be
Hey guys, welcome back to another Woodbrew video.
This week we're combining metal and OSB to make this really cool coffee table. And thank you WD-40 for sponsoring this week's video. You can check the links in the description below to see the products we used. Let's get started.
First thing we're going to be doing is getting rid of the rust off of this metal sheet. This is going to be at the top to our coffee table, so we need it to look pretty decent. We have had this thing sitting around a while and it's definitely accumulated its fair share of rust. With the homemade tub and the help of WD-40's specialist rust remover soak, we were able to make it clean again. We left it soaking for about an hour and then we used a brush to remove the rust remover with all the rust that came off. Then we could rinse it all away with clean water. After that air dried, we cut our metal to length to 20 inches by 36 inches with a metal cutting circular saw. Then we could sand down the edges a bit to make sure no one cuts their hands or knees, because knowing me, I would have some beat up knees if we didn't. We gave it one last wipe down with some acetone so we could spray some spray lacquer on it to finish it off. Now onto the base. We have some OSB left over from building our floor, and we are actually using it on a much bigger project coming soon, so we wanted to experiment with it a little bit before we started that. So we are cutting 6 20 by 20 inch squares that we will glue up for the base, 3 on each side. We left it in clamps overnight, and then we were able to cut an angle on either side so that they will be angling outwards, just for aesthetics. Using a belt sander, we just went to town on making it smooth so that nothing was sticking up. We added a coat of polyurethane and then did different amounts of epoxy on each side to see how the different amounts turn out and what we like best. The epoxy is just for experimentation for later, but it looks so good. We still sanded some down to get all the drippage from the other side out, and then brushed on another coat of polyurethane to clean everything up. While that dries, we started drilling in the holes to attach the base to the top. This coffee table turned out so cool. The OSB looks awesome with the steel, and it gives a great contrast in the office. Maybe this will be our temporary snack bar or something, because snacks are always good. Thanks again to WD-40 for sponsoring this week's video, and thanks to you guys for watching. We hope you enjoyed, and we will see you next week.